Hello and welcome back. So, in today's video, we will talk about the assistants for the doctor. So, in the RMC platform, the doctor can have multiple assistants that can do certain functionalities or that can do perform certain tasks on behalf of the doctor, like booking appointment, accepting appointment, or doing some basic operations of the doctor. So let's see how we can add an assistant for the doctor. So we will go to my assistants, and as you can see that there are currently no assistants for the doctor, and we can add the assistant from by clicking here. Okay, so here we have to give assistant first name, last name, his email, and we can select about his role, that either we are adding a patient or doctor assistant, and then we select clinic. This clinic is useful when we have more, the doctor is in more than one clinic. In the RMC platform, the doctor can simultaneously work in more than one clinics, so he have to select the clinic in which he wants to invite the doctor assistant. So let's quickly fill the doctor assistant details. For the timing, I'm saying he is a Dr. Khan assistant. His email is Dr. K assistant, and we are inviting a doctor assistant, and his clinic is this one. Okay, let's save this. Okay, added successfully. So the assistant is added into the system. What will happen after this form that we have just filled? Welcome email will be sent to that specific assistant, and he will get his username and system generated password in the email that he can use to log in into the system and complete his or her profile, and so on. So let's see. As you can see that in invitation status, currently pending is written. Pending is written. What does this mean? It means that the assistant has not logged in into the system for now. So when he will log in, the invitation status will be changed to accepted. And this button, what this button does, from here we can assign different permissions to the assistant, like what he can do. Doctor can specify that which specific operations this particular assistant can do. So as you can see that the first permission is can view calendar, and the what you can see, the note is written below the permission. We can read this one. This permission will allow the assistant to view your calendar. So with this permission, the assistant can view doctor's calendar, and then the can manage patient. This permission will allow the assistant to manage your patients, add new patients, invite patients, perform actions for them like book appointments, share document, and manage test plan. These are the operations that this permission will allow our doctor assistant. Similarly, this is the last permission, can manage appointments. This permission will allow the assistant to manage your appointments, accept, cancel, and reschedule appointments, recommend tests, specify normal result ranges, etc. So, for the time being, we are giving all the permissions to our assistant. Okay, so these were the things about the assistant, and we have also assigned him the permissions that we deem say necessary. And so that was about it for the assistant part. I will meet you in another video. Thank you.